everyone, this is Khushi Rajare from class 8B standing before you with a presentation on A Visit to Cambridge by Firdaus Kanga. In this chapter we are talking about the two extraordinary people. One is Stephen Hawking and one is Firdaus Kanga. They both of them are disabled. Firdaus Kanga is a writer and a journalist who lives and works in Mumbai. Firdaus Kanga is a writer and a journalist who lives and works in Mumbai. He born with brittle bones that tended him to break easily. And like Stephen Hawking, he is also confined to sit on a wheelchair. Stephen Hawking is one of the greatest scientists of his time. Stephen Hawking was suffered from a form of paralysis that confines him to sit on a wheelchair, and he speaks by punching buttons on a computer within a machine-like voice. In this chapter, we are talking about the two extraordinary people is their meeting with each other, and their topic is how was the life on a wheelchair and how the normal people say about the disabled. Now I am going to invite my friend Kanak Gupta to explain further about it.
Canada is a real England. When Arthur left, his feeling altogether something else, because there he had met Stephen Hawking. He was He was on a walking tour, and the guide mentioned Stephen Hawking, who is a quite disabled, and he was a vastly successor as Isaac Newton. And he is quite forgotten about the most brilliant and the completely paralyzes astrophysics. Astrophysics that who deals with stars, planets, etc. And Stephen Hawking wrote the Brief History of Time. This was the best-seller book of that time, and then so the author completed.
अरे तुम कंटिन्यू करो.
And then author go to the phone booth and call to the Stephen Hawking house, and there was an assistant on the line of the call. So the So the author said that I want to talk with Professor Hawking for 10 minutes. But the assistant said that you can take half an hour for 3:30 to 4. So the author was excited to hear that he can meet with Stephen Hawking not for 10 minutes, for half an hour. For example, there is your favorite actor, your favorite singer. You say that I want to meet with you for 10 minutes. But they said you can take half an hour to meet with. So you are not excited and surprised. So just like the author are also surprised. As if you have a current account on which you are too lazy to do a check, and next afternoon the author and Stephen Hawking meet. So their conversation going on, and the author was feel guilty because he was pushing Stephen Hawking to saying their words by punching buttons, and after punching buttons, the computer was telling their views what the Stephen Hawking wants to tell. So it's not like that's all the things, and and his eyes was closed with the frustration and other could feel his pain, and the mind are vibrating with the thoughts that comes in frozen phrases and sentence stuff as with not any feelings. So a lot of people seem to think that disabled people are unhappy, but author said that no, see me, I am not always unhappy. I also happy as I also happy by inside. So thank you, and I am calling to my.
After reading it, he replied that I find it when people patronize me, and I find it when someone disturb me in your mind. He answered that yes. He smiled at one way. The author says the most beautiful man in the world. The author is saying that in any photograph, magazine, newspaper, and have a three dimension Stephen Hawking is a side of a distant slung to pale blue shirt and the vested leg. I was speaking in a deep way. Before you like a lantern whose walls are glimsy and thin, that means that the author is saying the inner beauty of Stephen Hawking. Don't see the outer beauty of Stephen Hawking. Then the author is saying that what is the best thing of the disabled? The Stephen Hawking answered, there is the disadvantage of a voice synthesizer because there is a no feeling and no emotion is there. Now I would like to come my friend Aisha.
Every time Utha shifted on chair. Every time Utha shifted on chair, turned my visit towards the time. I want to make every one of our 30 minutes count. I want to make every one of our exhibition in the possibilities of my body, how little it mattered them that I would never walk or even stand. Now I would call to Kushiyari.
Next, the question was put by the author that what is advice to the disabled. Then the Stephen Hawking answered that do not do those things that are beyond to you. Do only those things that at which you are good. Disabled Olympics is a waste of time. Yes, he received that it is a waste of time because the author tried a Spanish guitar, but he failed to. But he failed to play it. He happily uninstalled it and threw the guitar. Half an hour later, the time is over, but the Stephen Hawking said, "Wait for a minute, have a tea, and have a round in a garden." And according to it, they have a tea in a garden. The Stephen Hawking is moving around it and by his motorized vehicle and talking for half an hour. After and complete of an hour, the time was to go according to it. So when they are going, there is no thing to kiss or by him. So by touching his shoulders, he could them by, and the author is saying that. It is completed and I make a change in myself that not a disabled is a person of this time, and we have to make we make different from others. Not a disabled is any offense to be a disabled. If we are disabled, we can do anything like Stephen Hawking and Firdaus Kanga. Thank you and have a nice day.